Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Let us learn geometry.
Hello students, today we will learn how to construct a hexagon of side 4 cm and how to draw it circumcircle. Hexagon is a having the side polygon having the side 6 sides. So its exterior angle is always 360 divided by 6, that will be 60 degree. So when exterior angle is 60 degree, how much it will be interior angle? It is 120 degree. So it is a regular polygon, so each side is 4 centimeter, its angle is 120 centimeter. So I'll draw the hexagon. So I'll take 4 centimeter side and I'll name as, here it is A B C D E F. So I'm drawing 1 to 4 centimeter and I'm naming it A B, 4 centimeter. Now at B, I'll draw how much? 120 degree. I'll draw 120 degree. So this is 60 degree. Then your another 60, so it will be 120 degree. When I'll draw joining B with this degree, I'll get another side. So how much I'll cut? Certainly I'll cut 4 centimeter because it is sides are each side is given to 4 centimeter. So I'm cutting 4 centimeter. Then this length will be 4 centimeter and it will be C. It will be 4 centimeter. In the same way, I'll go for your angle A. Here also I'll make 120 degree. I'll make 120 degree. So 60 degree, then your another 60, 120 degree. So it is 120 degree, but how much I'll cut? It will be 4 centimeter because this is a regular polygon. Each side will be 4 centimeter. I'll take the BC is 4 centimeter. I'll cut A. And what will the name of this point? A, B, C, D, E, F. I need your 6. So I'll write your A, B, C, D, E, F. C. This will be F. Next, I'll go for C. I'll make an angle. Your how much? 120 degree at C. I'll go for 120 degree. So this is your 60. Again, this will be another 60. So this will go for joining this. I'll get your CD side. I'll go for CD side. How much I'll cut? I'll cut again 4 centimeter. I'll cut 4 centimeter. So what will be it? It will be A, B, C, D. Next is D. Next 120 degree. Either you draw from F or you draw from D. So I am drawing from F. I am putting the compass at F and I am drawing your 120 degree. So this is first is 60 degree, then another 60. This will be 120 degree. F and this joining these two. Now I can cut 4 or I can draw your CD. At D I can draw another 120 degree, but I am cutting 4 centimeter. So what point is this? This is E. Now I'll join your ED, and surprisingly you will find that this is also 4 centimeter. So this is a hexagon. You'll write A, B, C, D, E, F is the hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F is hexagon. Now coming to circumcircle. Circumcircle means which will touch all the vertices. Okay. So all the vertices, it will be circle which will pass through all the vertices. So what I'll do, I'll take the intersection point of this 60 degree. It will make the center will be here. So either I'll draw the perpendicular bisector, or I'll go for this, I'll joining all this 60 degree. I'll joining all the 60 degree, any two sides, any two angles I can draw. Here I can join this 60 degree. This is the easiest way to get the circumcircle. So this point is circumcenter. What is circumcenter? Circumcenter is joining your center of the circumcircle. So this is O. I'll see how much OE, OA, OB, all are equal. See, if you will draw carefully, it will go through all the vertices. All the vertices will go. Then this will be your, how much, this will be the, it is not exactly, I have not got it, you may get it.
Thank you all the subscribers to support this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.